Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get iPhone like Leap to Wake Up Display Screen in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on the left side I have a iPhone smartphone and on the right side I have a Samsung smartphone. So firstly let me show you in my iPhone. So let me press the lock button and now the screen has been locked. So in order to wake up my iPhone smartphone, what I can do is I can just flip it like this. So you can see it's wake up. Let me show you again. So I need to flip it just like this. So you can see the screen has been wake up. So in order to get such similar features on your Samsung smartphone, what you need to do is firstly just go to the settings and just scroll down below. And now you will see here one option written advanced features. Just click on it. Now you will see here one option motions and gestures. Just click on it. Now here you will see the first option Leap to Wake. So just enable it. Now you can just minimize it. Now let us try to press the lock button and now let me place it on the table. So now if I try to lift it up, so you can see it's waking up the screen. So let us try again. So you can see so it's perfectly working. So by using this method you can easily get iPhone like Leap to Wake Up Display Screen in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.